Okay, so we got the sterling cutlass coming in for a setup. Apart from that, the screws at the back for the tremolo is bent out of shape, so I replaced that. His tuners, we went with the gotohlocking tuners, which help improve the stability of the guitar tuning. For the electronics, I suggested that he needs to put copper shielding because there's no shielding to begin with, and the guitar is slightly a bit noisy. So this actually helped to suppress a bit more of the noise that is happening in the guitar itself. So yeah, enjoy till the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, that's the end of it. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to contact me for any of the work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.